Hi, we're back. Thanks for staying with us. I'm joined in studio now by Mr. Richard Ransom. He's the President and Chief Financial Officer of International Commercial Television Incorporated. ICTL is their stock symbol. Rich, good to see you.
Good to see you too, Don. It's really exciting to be in Los Angeles and to get to be here in studio with you.
Well, we had you on the program last week via satellite from Philadelphia,
Yes.
near where your company's headquartered. Fabulous interview, by the way. For those who might have missed that, why don't you tell us again what the company's all about?
Absolutely. So International Commercial Television, we go by ICTV. We're a direct response marketing company, and that means we primarily use infomercials and web marketing to build brands. And we do that in what we like to call the vanity space. We focus on things that make people feel better about themselves, and that's typically health and beauty, fitness. And we've built several brands. Our most popular right now are DermaWand, which is a cosmetic device, FDA-approved device that is used to diminish lines and wrinkles. And we also have a brand of cosmetics, skincare, DermaVitel, and that's really how we build our customer base. We've used the DermaWand to build a platform, and DermaVitel is distributed to our customers right now. We have over 20,000 customers who are receiving monthly shipments from us in our DermaVitel program. So we're very excited. We got new brands coming online, and very excited to be here.
Well, you know, it's kind of exciting, too, because the company just recently released financial information, revenues and earnings, sales. I know you're very excited about that. Why don't you share some of that information with us?
Yeah, when I was here last time, I couldn't really talk, but I knew it was going to be a great quarter, and just last week we released the first quarter results, and it was a record quarter for ICTV. Wow. We reported $12.4 million in profit, or I'm sorry, in revenues, and that resulted in $1.1 million in profit.
Nice.
And those were both records for quarters for the company, and we are very proud that that resulted in a 6 cents earnings per share for our stockholders. We also have really focused on building our balance sheet, and the working capital of the company continues to grow. We've now at $1.6 million in working capital, so we're very, very happy with how the progression has gone.
Well, it sounds like you, as Chief Financial Officer, are doing a darn good job.
Thank you, Don.
Now, with this kind of growth, Rich, obviously you're very pleased with what happened in 2012 and in the first quarter of 2013. You must be now looking forward for the rest of the year and beyond in kind of a bullish sense.
Yeah, we really are. I think that the growth will continue. We're very excited because of what we've done. We've been able to build a platform that now we can feed new products into. And we have, as we talked about last time, our DermaNew project underway. One of the reasons I'm in Los Angeles and other key members of our creative team from ICTV is to get that project off the ground. We're in pre-production for the long-form infomercial. And we're going to continue to focus on building our customer base. That's really the core of our business. We focus on customers. I spent a day with our customer service company yesterday brainstorming for new ideas of how to interact with our customers better. So we have new products coming on board. We have a lot of companies with products that are coming to us now because of the success we've had, and we're just very excited. I'm very thankful that we've been able to build this engine, and now I'm very excited. And I want your audience to take the time and just look into our company. We're at www.ictvonline.com, and they can look at our products, dermawand.com. And I just encourage them, if they have any questions whatsoever, look me up. I'm always available. Feel free to call.
Great. International Commercial Television, stock symbol is ICTL, and again, that website is ictvonline.com. Rich, great update. Thanks so much.
Thanks a lot, Don.